If you want to change the keyboard theme on Samsung Galaxy A36 5G, you can go to Settings, scroll down in the Settings until you find General Management, then over here go to Samsung Keyboard Settings, and here we can go to Theme. Unfortunately, options are very, very limited. As you can see, we only have 4 options, and I would even say 2 in total, because we have light and dark and solid versions as well. And you can also try to use, for example, the high contrast keyboard, where we can use one of these options here, but these are all themes, if you can call them themes, that we have by using the default keyboard, the Samsung keyboard. Therefore, if you want to have more themes, you can download any other pretty much third-party keyboard that provides more customization options. So as an example, we can get the Gboard, which is the Google keyboard. And this is the app. We can install it. I'm gonna show you how to set it up and how to change the theme. And with this app, you can also use a custom theme as well. So you can use your own photo to use it as a background for your keyboard. So once installed, we want to open it. First, we need to enable the Gboard in settings. There we go, press OK, and let's go back. Then we need to select input method, we can switch to Gboard, and then let's press done. And there we go, we have settings of the Gboard, and here if you go to theme, as you can see, we have much more options, like gradients, light gradients, landscapes, and so on. And you can also create your own theme by using this plus button. So let's say if I choose this red one, this is how it looks like. We can press apply, and we have a new theme. I'm gonna actually switch to a gradient this one. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!